Hi there and welcome to Panoptic Press video channel. In this particular tutorial, we'd like to show you how to link your website email to your Outlook at home or in your office on your own desktop. And to do so, you'll need three things: an active internet connection, an active internet connection, and as well as the program Microsoft Outlook itself, as well as some of those emails that were sent to you that were created particularly for the website, as well as the passwords associated with those email addresses. In order to start this entire process, we will launch Microsoft Outlook, and here it is. Then we will left click on File, Add Account, and then we will add one for our purposes, which is called Marketing. And the email address that was created would have been marketing@panopticpress.co.za, and this is the password that was created for that account, and you have to retype it in the next block. And then when you are done retyping the password, you can click on Manual Setup or Additional Server Types right there at the bottom and click Next. And then it will take you to a list of services that you prefer to use to get this exchange going, and we would click on POP or IMAP and then click Next. And it's already kind of created this account, and it's halfway there already. Now in the drop down menu, you can choose either POP3 or IMAP. In case of POP3, which is what we are going to use for our purposes, it means that the emails that you receive in your domain do not stay on the server. They come to you in your email account, but they don't stay on your server necessarily. So that actually saves you a lot of space. So we'll choose POP3 for our purposes. In the next one, incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, is where you actually tell Microsoft Outlook where to find the server, where to retrieve these emails, or where to send these emails from. And you do that by typing in mail dot your domain name, and again in outgoing server the same would apply. And then you have to create a username. Now this is very important, and this is where most people get stuck. Username is not going to be like what you created here and called it marketing, because here you could have called it whatever you wanted. You could call it your personal name if you want, but username is actually the email address itself, and if you enter anything else, it will actually not work, so the authentication will not be completed. So enter the actual email address, and again, for the last time, this time, enter the password associated with this account. And then the next thing is to test whether it actually worked. And voila, it actually did. See, now it says you can log into your incoming server, and Microsoft Outlook has sent you an email that is testing whether the settings are correct. So basically you're halfway done. The only other thing that we now have to do is to click on More Settings and make sure that your outgoing server requires authentication, making sure that you're using the same settings for your incoming mail as well as your outgoing mail. And then you click OK, and we're basically done. When we click Next, it should show us that it's been successful and in progress, and finally it's completed, and it says congratulations, which means that it's now set up. And now we can click Finish, and that's it, we're done. Now you're going to be receiving emails from Microsoft, and there you go, we're already receiving those emails. It just came through now. The test email has just come through, showing us that in fact this has worked, and that the account has been linked to your Outlook. So now all you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy the emails that you are receiving from your website. Please, if you do need any help, do get in touch with us at Panoptic Press. This is our contact details: 0813282312, or in the office on 011-794-6208. You can email us info@panopticpress.co.za, or get in touch with us through our website at panopticpress.co.za. It's been lovely having you around. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and all the best.